Daniel Naroditsky, I think he is so popular in the whole this world as uh, trainer, that means a YouTube video creator, and he is no more at the age of 29. Uh, so there is, I cannot express the shock the whole all chess creators are today showing condolence. So I just remember show that by watching one of his game played 2007 in under 12. He is just like 12 years or less than 12 years old that time. He's 2100, so talented. Danny from USA. So hope you enjoy the game. Just playing King's Indian attack with white. I was just learning London bishop f4 line from his YouTube opening his speedrun videos. Yes. And I'm missing. I think the whole world will miss his style, his voice. So ace6, knight goes to ace4, and now the sacrifice happened. I think if he cannot capture also. If he captures with pawn, same, the bishop is hanging on e6, so bishop captures. Here starts invasion to the king side and sack the knight, because he's capturing on ace f6 also. So the game is like short, like his so short game, like his life, but so instructive game, attacking games from white's side. So, and white is already material up totally, I think. Yes, piece up. So here he is not in accurate move, because bishop b8. Before this, maybe engine shows king ace2 slide better for, it was better for, but queen to d2 just inaccurate maybe, because now black can go back, and but he played this rook to move, and this is winning for white now, almost 4 plus 4. Queen captures a6, queen captures f5, then bishop e2, having an exchange up, and now the simply queen g5 played by Danny. This is just my move, maybe it has not happened. So queen g5, and here Danny's opponent resigned at 30 moves. So hope you enjoy this game, and rest in peace, Danny.